Greetings, groeten. I'm back again for another video, and in today's video I'm going to be talking specifically to guys who are from the Netherlands, right? Whether you're living in the Netherlands or you're a traveler and you're in the Netherlands temporarily, this is for all the guys in the Netherlands that are looking for testosterone replacement therapy and haven't been able to find some in the past. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new clinic that was brought to my attention, so that hopefully this helps you guys find treatment when you haven't been able to find treatment before. So if you're not from the Netherlands, this video may not be of much interest to you, so feel free to pass on this one, but let's just get right to it. So the other day, I was having a discussion with a viewer who contacted me on Instagram. He sent me a message and we were having a chat about what his options are for the Netherlands, right? And it's a little bit frustrating for me because I don't know of a clinic in the Netherlands, and I get a lot of emails from the Dutchies and the guys in the Netherlands for doctors and TRT. So usually what I do is I just refer them to Balance My Hormones, who I use. They're an online provider based in the UK, but they do service Europe as well. However, he did a bit of homework of his own, and so he was going to go through Balance My Hormones, but then he did some research, which is what everyone should do, so good for him. But he actually managed to come up with a lead for a clinic in the Netherlands, and not only did he do that, but he also made an appointment with them and had a consultation and managed to get treatment. So we had a chat about that. I looked into their website and their services, and it looks great. So today I'm quite happy to do like a little informal review of them, tell you a bit more about them so that you guys can look into it for yourself. So basically, the clinic is called Andros Clinic, right? Which, as Dutchies, you know that's the Andros Men's Clinic or Men's Health Clinic. And they actually, what's lovely about these guys is they don't just have one clinic, they have clinics in 4 locations in the Netherlands. So they're basically pretty much in almost every corner of the Netherlands. And their 4 branches or clinics that they have are Amsterdam, as you'd expect, The Hague or Den Haag, Baarn, and then the final one is in Arnhem. And now I'm particularly happy about their one being in Arnhem, because when I was staying in the Netherlands, I was staying in a little dorpie or town called Wageningen, and that's right next door to Arnhem. And had I been struggling with my TRT there, this would have been a perfect location for me to go and visit and get treatment. So it's nice to see that there's one there too. Luckily, I did have a doctor in the Netherlands that sorted my treatment out, and unfortunately he's not there anymore, which is why I can't recommend him either. So those are the 4 locations. Also, what's good about them is that they seem to work with the general health insurance. And as a Dutchie or someone from the Netherlands, I hope you don't mind me calling you the Dutchies, you guys are familiar with the general health insurance. I think almost everyone has got this, right? And this Andros Clinic seem to work with the general health insurance. So what you have to do is, there are 1 or 2 maybe exceptions, but what you have to do is when you have a consultation with them, just see if your treatment will be covered by that. But I suspect in most cases it will be. So that's really good news. So, maybe there will be some additional costs. I don't know. I haven't used them personally, but from what this guy told me, who I had a chat with on Instagram, it seems to be that it is covered. And so you'll get your treatment for quite cheap. And another bonus that this guy on Instagram let me know is that they are very flexible in obtaining the type of testosterone you're looking for, right? So typically when I was in the Netherlands, I got Libido, but he was actually his doctor was able to source Sustanon and Enanthe, depending on what he wanted from the different pharmacies. They seem to go out of their way to find the testosterone that you're looking for. So that's a good thing too. So my overall thoughts, in general, it looks good from what I've seen. I've had a look at their website. They're a general men's health clinic, so they offer many different services, from hormone deficiency to other problems that you might have. So, don't just check them out for if you've got low testosterone, but if there's any other conditions you have, feel free to check them out too. But hopefully this is going to help guys that have low testosterone or suspect they have low testosterone, and maybe they're having trouble with their existing doctor who doesn't want to give treatment or is being very narrow-minded about it. Or, maybe you're traveling and you're looking for an alternative where you can get treatment. This looks like it would be a good option to explore. If I was still in the Netherlands and I was having problems, then I would go and explore this one also. So that's it really for today. I've written a blog post just giving an overview of everything that we've discussed here today. So the link for that is in the description of this video. Feel free to check that out. And also, if you do use Andros, then please share your experiences and let me know how it goes for you personally, right? Leave a comment on this video or on the blog post, leave a comment there or send a message, because the more experience we have with this, the better it's going to be to help me decide whether to leave a link and a reference to this company on the website or not. And ultimately, the goal is to build a big database of clinics in all European countries and the UK. And so it's nice to finally offer something to the Netherlands, because again, like I said in the beginning of this video, I get a lot of emails from guys in the Netherlands, and I've never had anything before, and now I have something to offer you guys. So good luck. Let me know how it goes, and I'll see you in the next video.